I've got my Pulsetto on, and it's a device to stimulate the vagus nerve. I've got a nervous system that's starting to shut down, and I get tired and overwhelmed and stressed and anxious really easily. So I use this every day in the mid afternoon to help calm down my system, calm down from the morning, and to get to a more relaxed and meditative state. And I have tracked on my Aura Ring whether it works, and I have had about a 10% increase in my HRV. So it is working well. It's super comfortable to use. It has a cushion here in the back for your neck to keep it comfortable. Inside, it has these metal conductive things that go right on your vagus nerve, which runs down your neck here and down through your spine and into your digestive system and stuff. So this impacts so many processes in your body and just gets things to calm down from a level of stress to a level of normal. You use this conductive lotion that comes with it, and you put it on your neck or on those silver dots. And then you choose on your phone the program you want to do, and it just sends gentle currents into your vagus nerve and calms you down. And you can choose the intensity and how long you want it to be. I've had this for at least a year now, and I found that it does help to calm me down, especially in that afternoon time when I am stressed. So, um, it's had a big impact on my life and my health and my nervous system so far. I plan to keep using it. It's super easy to use. I think the app was free, and I would definitely recommend it.